Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about what is a data set. So it's a very simple idea, but you need to know this term in order to understand more advanced levels of the statistical analysis. So a data set is a collection of data, typically sourced from a single origin, but it could be from multiple sources, and you could combine them together. So if it is from a single source, then that typically makes your job easier to manipulate and clean data for you to make it ready for further analysis. So data sets are structured as matrices with rows representing cases and columns indicating variables. Let's look at a real example. So now we have a data set loaded into our data interface. We're gonna go see here. Look at these rows. As we have said, rows representing cases. So now we have these cases. So you have like population. So population for Alabama, for example, is this. So this is the case or value. And the column, which is like population, region, this one, all are representing variables. These are representing variables. And these rows representing values, or these rows representing cases. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.